So this is a pretty straightforward video, but I'm decided here for a service call for this little mushroom hood exhaust fan. I got this top right here. It just had a couple nuts holding it on. You can kind of just see where the little deals were here. But yeah, I just unscrewed that, got the top off, and then obviously the call was for, they just didn't have any airflow. Pulled this off, belt snapped. It's pretty obvious that it snapped. And I kind of got my belt size here, 3L 180W is what it says. As far as the belt size, I usually try to write that with a Sharpie on something, just because sometimes these get dirty or snap right where the actual belt size is. It just makes life a lot easier. So I'll probably throw that on there. Another thing I'll kind of test is just kind of making sure everything spins. There's no slop on both the shafts. There's no slop here. With the belt off, this thing will actually slide a little bit, and you can kind of see I got a little grease port right there. So I'll grease this up as well. I don't really have any play in anything. Everything feels pretty good overall. I'll usually kick on power too, just to make sure everything is working. Just kick it on. A lot of times you don't have these on-off switches right inside the hood, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but this one has it, which is really nice for when you're working on it. It makes you feel a lot better, that's for sure. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I've kind of tested everything. Everything I know works. It really just needs that belt. You can actually see someone, looks like they wrote on here or carved it into the aluminum here. One of the two happened. But yeah, I got the belt size here too, which is kind of nice to have that. I usually like to leave a spare, at least at the site, or even underneath here. A lot of times if I have an old one that's not actually snapped, I'll leave it in here just as a spare, so that way if you come out here for emergency, you're not running around looking for a belt around town. So but yeah, that's where this one's at. It's pretty straightforward, easy. I just need to get a new belt, and then I'll grease up the bearings, and that's pretty much kind of good to go. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. It's really, like I said, straightforward. But yeah, usually if you don't have airflow, it's gonna be a motor or a belt or something along those lines, or power related. So yeah, this one was really easy, straightforward. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.